Introduction to plant-based diets and its growing popularity among athletes. Plant-based diets have been gaining immense popularity in recent years, and not just among health-conscious individuals. Athletes from all walks of life are now turning to plant-based eating to fuel their bodies and enhance their performance on the field, court, or track. This growing trend begs the question: what exactly is it about a plant-based diet that makes it so beneficial for athletes? In this video, we will explore the numerous advantages of embracing a plant-powered lifestyle for athletes, including improved athletic performance and mental well-being. The link between a plant-based diet and improved athletic performance. Plant-based diets have been gaining popularity among athletes in recent years, and for good reason. Many studies have shown a link between following a plant-based diet and improved athletic performance. But what exactly is it about this dietary choice that can lead to better results on the field or in the gym? One factor may be the abundance of nutrients found in plant-based foods. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds are packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and phytochemicals that can support optimal health. These nutrients help to reduce inflammation in the body and promote faster recovery from intense workouts. Another benefit of a plant-based diet for athletes is its potential to enhance cardiovascular health. Plant foods are generally low in saturated fat and cholesterol while being rich in fiber. This combination helps to improve blood flow and oxygen delivery to muscles during exercise. Additionally, consuming more plants can provide athletes with an ample supply of carbohydrates for energy. Contrary to popular belief, carbohydrates are not necessarily bad for athletic performance. They serve as the primary fuel source for high-intensity activities. Moreover, plant-based proteins can be just as effective at supporting muscle growth and repair as animal-derived proteins. Sources such as beans, lentils, tofu, tempeh, quinoa, and hemp seeds offer valuable protein content without the added cholesterol or saturated fats commonly found in meat products. In summary, the benefits of a plant-based diet extend far beyond just physical health. It's important to note that transitioning to a plant-based diet requires careful planning. Not all vegan foods are equal when it comes to meeting nutritional needs. Mental benefits of a plant-based diet for athletes, such as increased focus and mood enhancement. Mental benefits of a plant-based diet for athletes. Athletes are known for their physical prowess and performance, but what about the impact of diet on their mental well-being? A plant-based diet has been shown to provide numerous mental benefits for athletes, including increased focus and mood enhancement. One key aspect is the consumption of nutrient-dense foods that are abundant in plant-based diets. These foods contain essential vitamins and minerals that support optimal brain function. Nutrients like B vitamins, magnesium, and omega-3 fatty acids play a crucial role in promoting mental clarity and reducing symptoms of depression and anxiety. Additionally, a plant-based diet can help regulate blood sugar levels. This steadiness in glucose levels prevents energy crashes often associated with high sugar or processed diets. As a result, athletes may experience improved concentration and sustained energy throughout their training sessions or competitions. Moreover, incorporating more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds into an athlete's diet provides antioxidants that combat oxidative stress caused by intense exercise. Oxidative stress has been linked to cognitive decline. Therefore, consuming these antioxidant-rich foods can protect against such effects. Furthermore, some studies have suggested that certain nutrients found abundantly in plant-based diets may promote the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin, the feel-good hormone responsible for regulating mood. By enhancing serotonin production naturally through food choices rather than relying solely on medications or supplements, athletes may experience enhanced mood stability without unwanted side effects. In conclusion avoided as per instructions. Adopting a plant-based diet offers significant mental benefits for athletes beyond just physical gains. Improved focus due to stable blood sugar levels coupled with increased intake of brain-boosting nutrients can enhance overall cognitive function while supporting positive moods during training and competition. Plant-based protein sources for athletes. Plant-based protein sources for athletes are plentiful and diverse, providing all the necessary nutrients to support their active lifestyle. One excellent source of plant-based protein is legumes, such as lentils, chickpeas, and black beans. These versatile legumes can be added to salads, soups, or used as a base for vegetarian burgers. Another great option for athletes looking to increase their protein intake is tofu and tempeh. These soy-based products are not only high in protein but also rich in essential amino acids that aid in muscle recovery and growth. They can be marinated, grilled, or stir-fried to add a delicious and nutritious boost to any meal. Quinoa is another fantastic plant-based protein source that contains all 9 essential amino acids needed by the body. It's also packed with fiber and other important nutrients like iron and magnesium. This ancient grain can be enjoyed as a side dish or used as a base for salads or Buddha bowls. Nuts and seeds are also valuable additions to an athlete's diet due to their protein content. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, hemp seeds, and flax seeds are just some examples of nutrient-dense options that provide both healthy fats and protein. Don't forget about green leafy vegetables. While they may not have as much protein compared to other sources mentioned earlier on this list, they still contribute significant amounts when consumed in larger quantities. Incorporating these plant-based protein sources into meals throughout the day ensures athletes meet their nutritional needs while reaping the benefits of increased energy levels, better digestion, and improved overall health. Remember, variety is key when it comes to a healthy plant-based diet. So mix it up. Be creative with your recipes. And enjoy exploring new flavors from these amazing plant-powered ingredients. Meal planning tips for athletes on a plant-based diet. As an athlete following a plant-based diet, it's important to plan your meals carefully to ensure you're getting all the nutrients and energy you need. Here are some helpful meal planning tips. One. Prioritize protein. While there are plenty of plant-based protein sources available, it's essential to consume enough protein for muscle recovery and growth. Include foods like tofu, tempeh, lentils, chickpeas, quinoa, and hemp seeds in your meals. 2. Incorporate a variety of fruits and vegetables. Aim to include a colorful array of fruits and vegetables in your daily meals. They provide essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber that support overall health and performance. 3. Don't forget about carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are crucial for providing the energy necessary for athletic performance. Opt for complex carbohydrates such as whole grains, brown rice, oats, sweet potatoes, and legumes. 4. Plan balanced meals. Each meal should contain a combination of protein-rich foods along with healthy fats, avocados, nuts, and carbohydrates. 5. Pre-prepare snacks. To stay fueled throughout the day or during training sessions or competitions when time is limited or access to food is restricted. Prepare nutrient-dense snacks like homemade energy bars or trail mix with nuts and dried fruit. 6. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration is key for optimal athletic performance. Make sure to drink plenty of water before exercise sessions or competitions. Aim for at least 8 cups per day.